All right, we're going to go for a spin here. Something a little different for California cars. It's a 2017 Tesla Model S 75D. So it's the all-wheel drive version. Man, these things are fast and they corner really well, and they're comfortable. They're really easy on maintenance. There's really no maintenance except for brakes and tires, and you know, brakes still haven't been done on this one yet. I mean, it's got 69,000 miles on it. I mean, these things are a rocket ship. Plenty fast, comfortable, and getting affordable. You know, this is midnight silver metallic, really nice color. It's got the Slipstream wheels, 19-inch wheels, Michelin Pilot Sports on there, pretty recent. The tires are in good shape. This has the Alcantara roof panel, stuff like that, and it also has a sunroof. A lot of these are just glass roofs, but this is an actual sunroof. It slides back and tilts. Very nice. And you got the multimedia centerpiece here, which pretty much, it's giant. It's like watching a TV screen. Nice stereo system. I mean, I have a window sticker on it, so it'll tell you everything about it. But I even put some miles on this one myself. Really like it. It's got the carbon fiber decor. I think they either come in wood or the carbon fiber look. Steering wheel controls. This one's rated at, you know, if you convert the power to horsepower, it's like 518 horsepower. But we'll go up here and take some more pictures and more videos so you can get a look at it. All right, we're going to do our little walk around here with our 2017 Tesla Model S 75D. It's all-wheel drive, lots of power. This isn't even the big one. This is the big body style one, but the 75D, it's a 518 horsepower, I guess is what it equates to. All-wheel drive, so it handles very well, sure-footed on the road. And man, they're a lot of fun to drive. They're comfortable. They got beautiful leather interior. This one has a sunroof, which is kind of rare. I've seen a lot of them, but usually just a full glass roof. This one actually opens up and slides back. It's got cameras all the way around the car. I don't know if you've owned or driven a Tesla before, but you know, it's an experience, that's for sure. Got the 19-inch factory wheels on there with some Michelin Pilot Sport all season. Nice and good sticky tires, all around weather. LED lighting, backup camera. I mean, there's some features you can purchase for these to make them drive on their own, I guess. And it's got adaptive cruise control. Really cool. Show you the inside. It's also got the ceramic, upgraded ceramic tinted windows. So a little darker in the back than in the front, but you can still see out of them good, and it keeps the sun out. Protects that interior. Also has WeatherTech mats. I like to put those in all my cars. You can get in with dirty feet, not mess up your carpeting. Protects it. The leather's in good shape. It's got power heated memory seats. It's got the carbon fiber trim package in here. The large screen. Pretty cool. Check out the car. You can open the trunk. It's got a trunk in the back, and it's got a frunk in the front, so you got room for plenty of storage. The back seats fold down as well. All the steering wheel controls, but really, I mean, for the age of the car, very nice shape. Been well cared for. The dash is in good shape. The steering wheel's not all nicked up. Seats aren't ripped or torn. Got little storage areas here and there. Places to charge your phone. Show you the back too. Really clean. Probably not too many people sat in the back here. Again, LED lighting in the ceiling. LED lighting on the floors. And you hook this thing to your phone, you just walk up to it. Door handles pop out. Pretty cool. Mirrors fold in and out. Great car. Well, if you want to see this one in person, come out to California Cars. We're at 2158 Union Place in the city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. And my name is Rich. I'd be happy to show you the car, and there's some financing options and a few different things we can help you with. All right, thanks for watching.